Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pick numbers in Excel with currency. So let's get started. Start by opening the Excel workbook that contains the numbers you want to pick as currency. Now select the cells and right-click on your mouse. Then from here, select Format Cells. A dialog box will appear. From this dialog box, choose Currency. If you want to change the currency symbol, click here. Click OK to apply the currency formatting to the selected cells. And there you have it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.